everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a chicken shaped pot holder. So let's get started. We begin by using our fabric. I'm going to be using the chicken fabric as my main top fabric and then the red for the backing. And also for the batting what I'm going to be using is Bright. And as you can see, what I like to use for my template patterns is recycled cereal boxes.
Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright.
And then I put my traced fabric onto the Bright, and then we're going to sew.
May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
And once I've sewn all on my traced area, I remove the pins, and then I like to sew some horizontal and vertical lines as a quilting technique.
Wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm.
And for the hanger, I make bias tape. I use 1.5 inch strips, and then I use my Clover number 18 bias tool. And then I trim to 6 inches and sew. And now trim. And now we're going to attach the hanger. And now put right sides together, and then we're going to mark an area where we're not going to sew, and that's where we're going to be turning the pot holder right side out. And then I sew right above my stitching line.
Comes to say that Christmas is on its merry way, and for every seed.
And now trim.
There's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today.
And now turn right side out, Then we're going to iron and top stitch.
Winter is promised for this day. It brings a hope of peace, both near and far away. It says we can live together and that we can find a way. The first snow this Christmas is promised for this day.
Now our pot holder is complete. Merry Christmas, everybody, and happy sewing!